How to download and install Affinity by Canva on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. And here search affinity.studio and it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Get Affinity at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Get Affinity, here click on Sign Up to download. After you click on sign up to download, and here it will lead you to this page. Sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Then click on download for Windows or download for Mac as you prefer. And then after it's downloaded, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on install. After you pressed on install, it will start your installation process. After that, everything will be downloaded and installed and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. And this is how to download and install Affinity by Canva on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.